guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you guys are here. Today's video is super exciting. I'm going to be giving you a behind the scenes and in-depth look at my beauty / filming room. So I hope that you guys enjoy, and if you want to get a look at what it looks like when I film and where I store my makeup, keep on watching and we'll get started. Okay guys, welcome into my filming / beauty room. So let's go ahead and just start off with what you see as you walk into the door. So here we have my vanity. This is where all of my makeup is stored, and this is where you will see me doing my makeup when I'm not doing it on camera, which is not much, but this is where you will find me. The mirror is from Vanity Girl Hollywood. The tabletop is from IKEA with the Alex drawers. That is the 5-unit drawer, and then I have the 9-unit drawer to the right. Right here I have a tabletop organizer where I place all of my lipsticks, lip colors, lip liners, all of that good stuff. We have some flowers which I got from Michael's and put in a mason jar I got from Michael's as well. I have my makeup bag, and like I said, below here is where I store all of my makeup. I'm not going to give you guys like an in-depth look at my makeup much. That can be for another video, but here I have all of like mascaras and stuff and palettes. I did get my chair from IKEA as well. I'm gonna have everything linked below for you guys in case you have any questions about what I got from where. That will all be in the description. This is the Alex 9-drawer unit. Now this is where the majority of my makeup is stored. Palettes are mainly in these areas right here, and then right here I have everything really organized and broken down. I have all of my makeup brushes. I usually have a candle sitting here, but yeah, that is all of my makeup brushes. I have several mugs, can never have enough makeup brushes. First drawer, I'll give you guys a little sneak peek. These are all of my foundations. I try to keep them as organized as I can, but these are all of my liquid foundations. Let's go into primers. Where your girl keeps all her primers. We have bronzers, setting powders. Then we have blushes and highlighters, which you can see is a big portion of my collection. If you guys want a makeup collection video, you guys can request that if that's something you're interested in. It'd be a long video, but definitely can do that for you guys. So this is my entire vanity. I do have a window right here for some natural daylight. So let's go ahead. Once you do a little turnaround, this is where all the magic happens right here. So this is where I do the filming, okay? Starting off with the lighting, I have 2 softbox lights from Limo Studio, I believe. Got them off from Amazon. Super good. Would recommend them over umbrella lights for sure. I'll have them linked below. The lighting, I'll have all that down in the description box. Okay, and then I also have my 18-inch Diva Ring light. This is essential for me and my lighting. It's where 99% of the lighting comes from. It's from Stellar Lighting Systems. So I have that, and then right here I have my boom mic stand right here. The microphone is currently on top of my camera since I'm walking around with it, but usually the microphone is on top here and it's hanging above my head so you guys can get some good audio going. I will have the microphone, I'll have the stand, and everything you guys need to know in the description box as well. So starting off on the tabletop, I have my MacBook Pro. I edit on all of this, and then I have my monitor right here, which really helps because my camera does not have a flip out screen, so this helps me make sure that all of my videos are in focus and that we got a good frame. I do have some additional makeup back here. This is where my mom does her makeup's magic as well. So she has a little bit of her makeup there. But yeah, this is basically it. The desk is something old that I already had, and I figured why not use it as a filming table. And then I have just a basic fold-out chair, yeah. If we do turn around here, this is where all of my backdrops are hung. I got the backdrop stand off of Amazon. I got the backdrop clips off of Amazon as well, and then I have this light. It provides like that halo effect on the backdrops and also illuminates the backdrops as well, so that area can get some light. I honestly, this is when I had umbrella lights, but I took off the umbrella and used it as a spotlight. Right here, my mom has some hair products, some extra makeup, some blow dryer, curling iron, basically everything that we need for hair. But yeah, that's basically that. So we have that area done. I'll kind of take you guys to the back side. Obviously my camera is not there at the moment because I am using it. So if we turn around, there's a big space, but I do have a closet. This is where I keep all of my backdrops, which I will show you guys. It is a messy closet, but beware. Okay, so in here is where some of my backdrops are hung. I have nude, I have sequins, I have black, let's see what else. I have blue sequins, I have like a black galaxy kind of thing, which you guys see I use a lot. I have a blue soft material. Gosh, I have so many. But yeah, that's kind of where I keep those just so they can be. So that is that. So basically when you turn around, we have the door that we walked in. We have the vanity beauty area, and then we will have the filming setup. So that is it, you guys. I am done showing you guys this room. I hope that you like it. If you have any questions about any of the items that I used, I will have all of the links in the description box below. But if you have any more questions, feel free to comment them down below. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any of the future posts I make here on my channel. And hit me up on social media. I got that too. I'm on Instagram and Twitter. You guys have a fantastic day. Jesus loves you so much, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye, guys.